I've already told you, no, it is more to do with your lifestyle and your social activity you go down, Imagine if you are a parent who's working late night and you have commitments which is past 10 o'clock and you're very, very busy. You cannot expect a child to go to sleep by 8 o'clock, You need the dedicated time for your child to set in a routine. So if you don't have a routine, it is very difficult that your child would fall into a routine, no matter how hard you're going to try it. Second thing, I would like to emphasize, this is almost a repetition of the previous question, but I would like to emphasize on the fact that why quality of sleep in the children is very, very important rather than, if you're sleeping the child. Because there is something called as a sleep cycle where you have four phases or four stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4, which is divided into REM and non-REM sleep. And going into a deep sleep is very, very important. And deep sleep happens only when you go into the phase 2, phase 3 of your sleep cycle. So if a child is routinely rotating on a bed, or having a bedwetting issues, or wakes up very frequently in the night. I have seen parents who complain saying, with a pin falls on the floor, my child awakens up. So all these are signs that the child is not got into deep sleep due to some issues which only ENT or a pediatric dentist who specializes in sleep can identify it. But deep sleep is very important for the child to waken up fresh in the morning. Even though if the child has slept for 9 hours and if he is not gone to a deep sleep, next day the child is going to be very irritable. They will have behavioral issues. They will have mood swings. And you would think that, oh, my child has slept at 9 hours and still he is having this behavioral issue. Maybe something is wrong with him. Nothing is wrong. The quality of sleep, if you can improve, you will see that his behavior, his cognitive development is much, much better than, just trying to put into a sleep. It's a very, very vast thing. But as I told you, get into a routine, and any pediatric dentist who has super specialized in specialty in sleep would be able to guide you why quality of sleep is better. On a general term, if you feel your child is very irritable even after waking up, he or she is not able to sit in one place for a very long time, then you must reconsider the quality of sleep is not good.